Good morning. Today is August 31st and I'm here to do your daily 3-card draw. Today we're going to go ahead and pull from the Spirit of the Animals Oracle deck. So pick a number between 1 and 3. And I've already pulled the cards. First off, this card has come up for me so many times in the last month. We have the sea turtle, protection. And what it says is, you are master of finding life's flow, be in harmony with the rhythm and your path will unfold. Persevere and you will succeed. You have everything you need to be protected and happy. So don't be afraid of anything that you're embarking on right now. You are protected. Just like that turtle, you're carrying around an invisible shell that keeps the harm and the nasty energy away from you. I love that. Next card we picked, is the pronghorn. Action. Check that out. It says, now is the time to act. Opportunities are here. Move forward with confidence. Your talents will always help you land on the pinnacle. Your quick wit and keen senses will lead you to success. So this is great if you're looking for a job, you're waiting for that promotion, or you're trying out something new. The pronghorn, we got that one. Lastly, we picked the lion, higher calling. You have within you the courage you need. Let go of the past and reclaim your majesty. You will find success and contentment with those by your side. Make noble choices for your life and your tribe. So this is basically saying surround yourself with people that are in your tribe, that have the same outlook, that have the same positive energy you do. And that's going to lead you to the next thing in your life, the big higher calling. So that is your 3-card draw for today, August 31st. You have a awesome day. Mwah.